So use a little tip and a way to get out of a sticky situation and make the job a lot easier. Less labour intensive. Now you're probably going to say, dab the board on. No, we're going to use some power grabbing bond. Why would I get out a bag of dab and my paddle, mix it all up, just put 3 rips around this column? We're going to use power grabbing bond, same type of system as a dab, using the PGB as the dab and the bonding agent. Pop a few blobs on, let it polymise 3 to 5 minutes, and then boom, pop them on. Check them the level, job done. Same job, but less labour intensive.